Niceness. Island vibes. What more you need? The cormorants, the piping fishing, all basking, enjoying the beautiful weather. The sun is bright. Jana Islands, beautiful place, beautiful weather. The sun is out. The chicken preparation, we're going to roast some chicken. Simple method, everything nice and easy. Got some fat that I'm going to utilize. Gonna use some of that beautiful fat. Twayaffe yamba ku lubuto n'omusujja. It helps with the stomach upsets and malaria eases on those ailments. Ekyo eri mujaja asigadde mujaja ono gwe mujaja gwe tuteeka ne mu kacaayi webale nnyo yoyo mwenyini mujaja ya twatwa tulirese utegedde kati curry powder simba mbili. I think it will be enough. Yes, it's oil. We're going to let it cool for a while and use it to marinate the chicken. You get it? So this oil that we let cool. Some salt to taste. You do hear the beautiful sounds of the pied crow. Probably scavenging on something, or yes, it should be scavenging on something. Maybe they're coming in to check on the meal. Omubimbo guleseeyo.
the vibe. Ancient beats. Under the moon, the stars align. Reggae nights, a timeless sight. In the heart of Jamaica, where the past meets the now. Medieval echoes in the reggae sound. Knights and jesters dancing in the crowd. House beats drop, the music's loud. Oh, the drums they call, the bass it thrills. A fusion of ages, the spirit fills. From the castle hall to the sandy.
Yo!
The magic.
Yo!
So bright, medieval grooves in the house of light. Dance with the ghosts in the building. Everything feels right.
Cioccolato rossi.
The lute and the guitar, they start to play a reggae rhythm in a medieval way. The DJ spins the night and day.
Why you
Salt to taste.
A fusion of ages. From the castle hall to the sandy hills, reggae nights, the magic skills.
Oh, the guys have gone trekking. There are caves in there. Up to adventuring. You do see a canoe in the background. Traditional fishing going on. Sounds of the waves. Beautiful sounds of the pied crow. These are scavengers. Namungona in our local dialect. He is waiting for us to make a move to leave, and it's scavengers. Beautiful scene.
Calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, the nights are filled with music and fun. The palm touch. nature.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. We're headed back. We're heading north. We came from the south. Beautiful weather. Take.
The pause.